What precautions and things do we need to be aware of?
Well, at least tonight it's going to be about precipitation. How much are we going to see, and will there be any accumulations? It's going to go below freezing, we think, by morning, but it's going to be a slow process. It's still 37 degrees in Lafayette, mid-30s across most of Acadiana. At this hour, there's a wind chill out there, 27 right there. The dew point at 27. So we have some dry air as well. There's light precip moving across the area, but it is very, very light rain at this point. But that may change over to a wintry mix later on tonight. On the radar, again, you see green painted over Lafayette, but it is very light precip, a lot of it evaporating before it reaches the ground. But back to the west, we do have a fair bit of rain changing over to sleet, freezing rain, mainly eastern Texas. Now, it remains to be seen if that's going to work its way towards us overnight tonight. And again, the model's really not going for a whole lot of wintry precipitation, mostly very light rain, could change over, but notice our temperatures don't go below freezing till about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, and the risk of precipitation staying mostly to the south of us. Toward daybreak tomorrow, Miles throwing in a little bit of a bone there, maybe a snow flurry first thing in the morning, but again, not expecting travel issues, but it's going to be darn cold any way you look at it. Now, tonight we have, this is the change, more moisture to work with, so our rain chances or chance of precipitation is going up a little bit higher, but it's going to be very light stuff, a little bit of a wintry mix, and then that dies down by tomorrow morning. Temperatures go below the freezing mark, maybe a flurry first thing in the morning, and then tomorrow we're in the 30s for most of the day. Now, the question is, will we see any accumulations on bridges and overpasses? And right now it's not looking that way, but I'm going to show you some of the models on what they're depicting right now, and it could be icy in spots in a few spots tomorrow morning. We'll talk more about that and have the True View forecast coming up in just a bit.